Picture the northern European landscape, where the Baltic Sea kisses the shore, where forests run wild, and where medieval architecture paints a historical tale. Welcome to Estonia. This gem of the Baltic, nestled between Latvia and Russia, is a feast for the senses. A country of stark contrasts, where ancient and modern exist side by side. From the cobblestone streets of its medieval towns to the unspoiled wilderness of its national parks, Estonia offers a unique blend of rich history and natural beauty. Imagine the thrill of exploring the dense forest trails, the awe of standing before towering medieval castles, and the serenity of walking along the tranquil Baltic shoreline. This is a land where every turn reveals a new scenic surprise, a new story waiting to be discovered. So, lace up your walking boots, grab your camera, and prepare to embark on a journey through Estonia's most stunning vistas. First stop, Lahemaa National Park, a place where nature reigns supreme. Imagine a verdant sanctuary where time seems to stand still. This is Lahemaa National Park, the largest in Estonia and one of the most significant conservation areas in Europe. Spanning nearly 700 square kilometers, it's a vibrant tapestry of untouched wilderness, a haven for nature enthusiasts and solitude seekers alike. The park is a true showcase of Estonia's diverse landscapes. Its lush forests are a riot of green, an intricate maze of towering pines, birch, and spruce trees. They whisper tales of age-old traditions, of a time when these woods were the lifeline for local communities. Lahemaa is also home to unique bog landscapes, eerie yet enchanting. These peat bogs, formed over thousands of years, are a spectacle to behold. A walk on the wooden paths that crisscross these bogs feels like a journey into another world. A world where silence is golden and the air is crisp and clean. But it's not just the landscapes that make Lahemaa so special. The park is a sanctuary for a multitude of species. From the elusive lynx and brown bear to the majestic sea eagle, the park's rich biodiversity is a testament to its pristine condition. Yet, nature isn't the only storyteller here. Scattered within the park are manor houses and traditional villages, each with a story to tell. The manor houses, once home to the German nobility, now stand as symbols of a bygone era. The traditional villages, on the other hand, offer a glimpse into the rural life of the past, with their wooden houses, rustic saunas, and age-old fishing traditions. Every corner of Lahemaa National Park whispers a tale, whether it's the rustle of leaves in the forest, the silent beauty of the bogs, or the timeless charm of its manor houses and villages. Lahemaa National Park, a testament to Estonia's untouched beauty. From the wilderness, we move to a place where history whispers in every corner, Tallinn's Old Town. Let's journey back in time, to a place where medieval architecture stands as a testament to a rich and vibrant history. Welcome to Tallinn's Old Town, a place where cobblestone streets, charming cafes, and centuries-old buildings transport you to a different era. Picture this. You're walking down winding streets lined with well-preserved buildings dating back to the 13th century. The air is filled with the aroma of freshly brewed coffee escaping from quaint cafes, the clink of ceramic cups and the murmur of conversation gently floating out onto the streets. Every corner you turn, every alleyway you wander into, tells a story of times gone by. The Gothic spires of the churches reach for the sky, the ancient city walls stand firm, their stones bearing silent witness to the passage of time. And the town hall square, once a bustling medieval market, is now a hub of cultural activity, hosting concerts, festivals, and open-air cafes. But Tallinn's Old Town isn't just about its past, it's a living, breathing place that has adapted and evolved while holding on to its roots. It's a place where you can find a bustling market selling traditional Estonian crafts next to a trendy boutique, or a medieval tavern serving hearty local fare just steps away from a modern fusion restaurant. And it's not just us who think it's special. Tallinn's Old Town is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to its outstanding universal value. It's a place where the old meets the new, where history comes alive and where every turn brings a new discovery. So walk the streets that have stood the test of time, sip a cup of coffee in a centuries-old cafe, immerse yourself in the history and charm that permeates every nook and cranny of Tallinn's Old Town. Tallinn's Old Town, where history and charm intertwine. Let's sail away to Estonia's largest island, Saaremaa, a place of rustic appeal and ancient history. Imagine a land where the wind whispers stories of the past, where the lighthouses stand as silent sentinels, and where the windmills spin tales of yore. Saaremaa is precisely that, a living, breathing museum teeming with rustic charm. The windmills with their wooden frames and spinning sails are a testament to the island's agricultural heritage. They stand proudly, silhouetted against the Baltic sky, a reminder of simpler times. But there's more to Saaremaa than just windmills. The island is dotted with lighthouses, each with its unique history. Some, like the Sorve Lighthouse, have guided sailors safely home for centuries. These towering structures are not just functional, they're part of the island's tapestry, adding to its rugged charm. If relaxation is what you seek, then Saaremaa's spas are just the ticket. With their therapeutic mud treatments and soothing sauna sessions, these spas are the epitome of relaxation. The island is blessed with healing mud and mineral-rich water, making it a haven for wellness seekers. Saaremaa is not just about rustic charm and relaxation, it's also a place where the extraordinary happened. The Kali meteorite craters, a unique geological curiosity, bear witness to a celestial event that occurred thousands of years ago. This site, with its 9 craters, is a fascinating testament to the power of nature. And then, there's the medieval bishop's castle in Kuressaare, the only completely preserved medieval fortress in the Baltics. With its imposing stone walls and towering spires, the castle transports you back to a time of knights and nobility. It's a fascinating glimpse into the island's rich history. Saaremaa is a place where the past and the present coexist. It's an island that invites you to slow down, to explore, to soak in its tranquility. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in nature, feel the Baltic breeze on your face, and lose yourself in the timeless beauty of its landscapes. Saaremaa, a place where tradition meets tranquility. Last but not least, we visit Parnu, Estonia's summer capital. As we journey through this charming city, we find ourselves captivated by its sandy beaches, stretching as far as the eye can see. It's not uncommon for locals and tourists alike to spend their sun-soaked days here, basking in the Baltic sun and indulging in the simple joy of building sandcastles. But don't be mistaken, Parnu is not just about daytime beach frolics. As the sun dips below the horizon, the city comes alive with a vibrant nightlife. From lively bars and clubs to cozy restaurants and cafes, Parnu offers a variety of options to dance the night away or simply enjoy a quiet evening. Beyond the sun, sand, and surf, Parnu is also a cultural hotspot. The city is home to a myriad of festivals that celebrate everything from music to film, food, to art. These cultural feasts are not just a showcase of local talent, but a grand celebration that brings together people from all walks of life. And let's not forget Parnu's renowned spa culture. With a history dating back to the 19th century, the city's spas offer a unique blend of traditional and modern treatments. Whether you're seeking relaxation or therapeutic healing, these spas cater to every need, all in the tranquil setting of beautifully restored historical buildings. Finally, the picturesque Parnu River adds another layer to the city's charm. With its calm waters reflecting the city's silhouette, it's the perfect spot for leisurely boat rides or a peaceful walk along its banks. In Parnu, every season feels like summer. It's a city where you can lose track of time, immersing yourself in the simple pleasures of life. From beach lounging to festival hopping, spa pampering to river cruising. Parnu, where summer never ends. Estonia, a country of diverse landscapes, rich history, and unforgettable experiences. We've journeyed together through the thick forests of Lahemaa National Park, walked the centuries-old cobblestone streets of Tallinn's Old Town, basked in the serene beauty of Saaremaa, and soaked up the sun on the beaches of Parnu. Each place a unique chapter in the storybook that is Estonia. Remember, these are just glimpses of what Estonia has to offer. The true magic lies in packing your bags, setting off on an adventure and experiencing these wonders for yourself. Feel the cool breeze on your face, listen to the rustling leaves or the city's hustle. Taste the local cuisine, and let Estonia's scenic beauty etch itself onto your soul. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which part of the world should we visit next? Please comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more such journeys to you.